everyone, I'm Jyoti Rolla and today I am going to give you a first impression on Blue Heaven. This is the product which I ordered from Nykaa and it costed me around over 700 rupees. Under 700 rupees, it has a 10 products. I had opened the box and I removed all the boxes and all that stuff, so I have a clear vision on my products, and now I'm going to show you while using the product how it is and what it is. The first product I am using is oil-free primer, flawless makeup base primer. So this is a Blue Heaven's first time primer I'm going to use. Let's apply and see how it is. So it's a quite transparent one. I was not aware about that. So primer is really good and it's not sticky much and I really liked it. The second product is the Blue Heaven High Coverage. It's HC High Coverage Foundation with the primer. This is how the packaging is. It is really beautiful and they had along with the palm. And I think this color shade name is Honey. And I feel like this is like a very close to my skin tone. Let's apply this. So I'm taking a brush and taking the product in my brush and applying on my cheek. So my foundation is done and it looked really nice. I liked it. The foundation, it's not cakey yet and it's giving me a matte finish which is really beautiful on my skin. So the next product I am going to try is their eye, that is the eye pop, and they have a beautiful 4 shades in this. So I'm going to show you the shades on my hand. We'll try. So the first one is a brown undertone with some shimmer. The second is this maroon, beautiful maroon. Oh God. And the third one is more of the caramel kind of a color. And the fourth one is undertone of some yellow and like a gold. It's a, you can say yellow gold tone. Yeah, like a, so I am like, I'm going to use the shade is this one, the brown maroon one. I really liked it, how beautiful shade is this. I'm going to take on my brush, like nicely coated, and apply on my crease line and under the crease line. Just going to tap this guy. Beautifully packed the maroon, and now I'm going to take a different brush. Brush number 2, come. So I'm going to take this fluffy brush and take the shade. I'm going to use this shade. This one. It's a very beautiful brown. And I'm going to apply this over my eyelid over here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Their Kajal. The Kajal is Blue Heaven Waterproof Deep Kajal, and it is up to stay up to 24 hours. So they had given me 2 pack of that. And I'm going to use this under my eyelid, over my eyelid. I'm going to make a liner with this same Kajal thing now. So my eyes are really beautifully done, and now I am going to take the mascara. They have this Blue Heaven 10x Volumizing mascara. This is how it is. I really liked it, how small and how comfortable is this mascara. I am so much in love with this. Let's go for the another product. So there is a Blue Heaven matte blush. This is how it looks. The shade name is Diamond Blush On. Beautiful shade name. And I'm going to take a brush and apply the blush. I really love how beautiful this blush looks. This is really nice one. I need to apply like after here. Okay, blush is like too much highly pigmented, like super pigmented. So be careful while using that product. The rest of the product is really good. Then I am going to apply this long-lasting makeup fixer dual look. This is how it looks. It's really beautiful thing. Just going to apply all over my face. It has a little chemical kind of smell, which is really, and it takes 5 seconds to dry, which is amazing because usually the smell is really intense. Excuse me. So now the last product which I am going to talk about is these lipsticks. I'm a little scared of these colors to be applied over my face, so I'm just going to show you. The shade is, this is the shade name Showgirl. So I'm going to show you the Showgirl, which is a beautiful purple color. The second shade is this one, which is Center Oak, which is again a very dark, loud color, which I am nowhere nearby with me. I'm taking a different shade from a different brand because the shade which they provide, it's not going with my look. So I am taking I Am Worth It from L'Oreal. I'm just going to apply lightly. I don't want too intense, but just a little light. My makeup look is completed with this Blue Heaven makeup products, and I really love all the products. The foundation is amazing, the primer is amazing. My favorite product would be go to the primer and the makeup fixer because they are so quick and they're so good for me to use. Even the Kajal is really good, but I didn't like it while using it, it break. But the rest of the product is really good. I am like impressed with the Blue Heaven product. This is the first time I'm using this brand. I am actually in love with it. I can suggest any one of my friends to use. This is a very reasonable cost and budget friendly products. You guys can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in a bit next time.